I'm live. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, you have a cool setup.
Yeah, how are you?
Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, this is Virtual Japan, the legendary YouTuber that I really wished to meet.
Nice to meet you. What do you want to do today?
I was live streaming today. How about you? You also live?
Yeah, just live stream.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, cool. Because you know, I was like, so cool bike.
This is the bike.
Dude, guys, this is this cool bike. This is the e-bike. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh guys, oh, so many people are saying.
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
They're also
That is so
saying hi,
cool. Hi guys, nice to meet you. Yeah, I watch virtual channel. Yes,
Cool.
nice to meet you.
Well, I'm just gonna go riding around today.
Yes, I would like to check it out later.
Yeah.
Yes, and I hope to see you again.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Where are you going now?
I think I'll go up there to check out more sakura up there. Yeah. How about you?
I'm just gonna ride back to maybe Shinjuku or Nakameguro.
That's cool. Live streaming a little bit of Japan. This is TokyoPaul Live. Did you see Sushi Sweets Place by Uniboxy Camera? Maybe not. What's the Sushi Sweets Place? I saw Hamasushi in Japan Heroes Universe. I know this Ultraman, Godzilla. I forget. Evangelion. I forget him. Do you guys know? Jennifer, Quinn, Daniel. Of course. Sorry I had to leave so soon. And then I forget who he is. Haven't played it since Lido, but it looks like an awesome game. I love the Mickey Mouse Tron. I love this poster, by the way. That's really cool. Dan Yuka says, Jen Quinn, at least you got to see Mount Fuji. Nice. The other side, but I love it. But all became Kamen Rider. Thanks, Lido. I don't watch, but I know people that have it passed. And yeah, this is the iconic shot I think of Evangelion, Godzilla, and Ultraman. So you want to see the funny mobile shots? Yay! Right now it's like I guess Japanese gamer heaven here. Jennifer says Kantai, someplace don't allow cameras. That's true too. Thank you. Yes, that is true. I even do have a AK 360 here. I don't know if it's still AK, but I do have a 360 video here with this thumbnail exactly. So look at that. Preview. Joe says my favorite anime is Hellsing Ultimate. Whoa, as a kid, my favorite was Lum. Oh, I've never heard of Lum, Jennifer. That's cool. And Sailor Moon. Look at the crossing. This is Akihabara crossing, guys. And there's a train. I forget which one's the orange line. I think there's only one orange line, but anyway. I'm gonna walk around. Frank McLeod. Hey, what's up? Hey, Frank. Good to see you. I smell garlic. But yeah, so this is all walking around Akihabara again. But I'll be walking around a lot of places. So Demon Slayer here. I watched that. Blackbird game. Happy Friday. Hello, humans. What's this? I don't know this series. I can't even see their faces. Anyway. So you want me to walk around? Plants? Is this a Pokemon? Whoa. Hey, look. Spitting chips. Contact TT cases. I sorry, gamers. Me in the store just now. Huh? Oh, nuts. I missed it. I'm sorry, man. Let me know from Minecraft. Can I go in here? This is a giant Goku. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Giant Goku. I wonder how far I can go in here. Look at the. Whoa. This is so weird. It looks like a bug. Oh. Jennifer says, yeah, they chase you outside. Yes, they do. I hope they don't chase me out here. Evangelion. These are the Evangelion robots. Ooh, look, Kimetsu. I like this guy. I forget his name. The blue dude. Brendan said Jennifer Demon Slayer is great as well. We have to wait for the. I know, right, Brendan? I'm waiting for season 3, so I don't know if you've seen season 2, guys. Ooh, and then this is Saint Seiya, I think. Love that. They're so cool. Growing up with this stuff is awesome. And then, of course, now it's Demon Slayer and Jujutsu Kaisen. I forget these characters, but they're all cool. My favorite is this dude that covers up his eyes. This dude. Blackbird Games is awesome. I know. How much are this dude is $60. You guys can't probably see, but this is a 6050. And these are what? Kamen Rider? And then, oh, there's the Deadpool right here. Spider-Man. Gundams. I love Gundams. I want one at home. I want a nice one. And here's Giant Goku. Live form. So many tiny robots. Oh, here's Star Wars. I've been watching Star Wars on Disney Plus. Jesus Kaisen will be next on my list. Oh, Brandon, please enjoy. It's quite a messy fighting, but cool. These red guys always get me. They don't get enough video time on the Marvel figures. George says the first superhero comic strip was not Superman. It was Japanese Ogan Bato, created in 1930. Whoa. Cool, you know that, George. Whoa. 1 second. Looks like the Unicorn Gundam. Oh, if these shops were in our country, it would be empty one day. Right, Blackbird Gaming? One day. Just one day. And these must be like old school Gundam. Kind of cute and really old. Look at this. He looks so shiny and cheesy. This black bot. TokyoPaul Live Black Box. Alright. I'm kind of getting bored. Oh, last one, Goku. Dragon Ball. I could get the green guy. Oh man, he's kind of cool. Now I'm gonna keep going because we have lots of stuff to see. Jennifer said, George, they meant for the States. Jennifer says, holy smoke. Tamashi Nation. Oh, that's right. That's where I was, did you know? Yep, that's where I was. Wandering around. This is Akihabara on Friday afternoon at, what is it, like 3:30 now? 3:24 p.m. I don't know if I want to walk the back streets today. Look at the lighting. It's afternoon lighting, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to try to stick to main lens from now as much as possible because that's the best and most beautiful lens on my camera. Yeah. Oh, it says camera is okay on that top of that glass. Thanks, Jennifer. That helped. Because, you know, you never know when they get back after you. Contact TTK. Hey, this is going to be a great stream. I hope so. I like doing it. I hope you like watching. So this, I think, I can do this more. I don't do Hello Kitty shop. Cafe. Got a giant bowl here. Oh, I guess it's a maid cafe. And this is Galleria's gamer PC brand in Japan. Alright. I'm free! I'll be live streaming a lot next 2 weeks. And actually spring break is soon too, Golden Week. That's in May, but I'm free actually for the early April. I'll be live streaming a lot to look for my notifications and my stream reservations. Usually come out within 24 hours before, sometimes 12. I'm walking around. Good to see you, Melody. How are you doing? You guys are nice. Very nice. I'm walking through the middle. I have to be careful though. That's the train. Yeah. I don't know where I'm headed though. Actually, maybe I'll go this way. I know there's a, ooh, look at the train. There's a river here. So I might do that. That's pretty cool. Let's go watch the train pass. Sorry guys. Pretty cool. All right. Yeah, we are in Akihabara. See, I used to come in here looking to buy MacBooks for YouTube. And sometimes, you know, before YouTube, I was buying MacBook Airs to watch Netflix. But you can get sometimes a deal. They sell used, but Japanese take care of their used goods that they buy new very well. So you can kind of get like 100, 200 bucks US off, but cheaper than, as I show, a big camera or Amazon. But still, unfortunately, yeah, sometimes you risk it because it is used. I was right, dude. But I just want to show the colors and stuff. That is one colorful rocket launcher bike. Maybe turns into this guy. That is cool. The content says I'm a gamer, so I use Windows. Haha. Makes total sense, right? Yep. George says you might find a vibrating hand mixer. I likely would, I think. So maybe I may not go there. The gamepad. Look at that. I just noticed gamepad. Live is straight. Let me move around. Oh, dude, this Gundam is sick. Even has a little loading dock. Never seen that before. I think this is Yamato Battleship. Whoa. Oh, looks like Naruto right there with that blue attack. Gosh, I get this in focus. That's the 5th Hokage there. Sasuke. Oh, nice. It's okay, we can take it. Oh, that's good. Thank you, Jennifer. One Piece. Nice. No need for lower uppercase. Tokyo, just small live at gmail.com. All together, yes, and lowercase. Oh no, it's not focus. Oh, look at that. Ice cream. 7. Yeah, it's like a little pork cutlet corner. Brenda Paul Clayton said this morning that he wore TokyoPaul t-shirt from Let's Have Interactive Community. Steady, no win, and to keep talking and hopefully keep people entertained, but live. Yeah, one of those dots, there's 2 dots left, is 10 seconds. 1 dot left, 10 seconds. So it's about a minute wait for each of these. All right, I think that was it. Oops. And again, yeah, please just say hello and I'll reply back. That way we make sure we don't send it to someone funky important stuff to you. Ooh, look at this. This is another one of those main screens here. Aniplex, one of the major anime companies. I don't know what Aniplex really does, but I do see them in lots of. I should do this at least once. So let's do the super wide for you. I smell cooked meat. This is the super wide look of Akihabara. I am gonna pan really slowly. Paul, where are you at the moment, TPL? Akihabara, Kikiji! Akihabara, this is the famous like anime and electric PC smartphones, and this place sells a lot of anime models, anime goods, and look at this guy. This guy really caught my eye. And then these guys, whoa, is this not the main character of One Piece, is it? Oh jeez. Look at the, I don't want to pan too fast, but I want to keep things interesting. Let's keep going. Jennifer, I got your email. Everything's good. Thank you so much. Let's keep walking. All right, let's see. Hello. No, it's a cloudy day. Oh, look. One dot, I think, so I only have to wait about 10 seconds so I can cross and go behind. Holograms is missed the part right now. Oh, no problem. I'm using UQ. It's literally the letter U as an umbrella and Q as in quail. UQ mobile. Mobile. I'll show you the sign. What is it? McLaren? It's a McLaren. Oh man, look at this McLaren. Oh yeah, sexy. Dang, what like CEO owns that car? I love this fat cat, by the way. Fat cat. So this is a Yahoo mobile, a big search engine, Yahoo. But they're not that big. Oh yeah, we saw that McLaren hologram. I'm in Akihabara. I'm walking around the main street. I'm headed for Window because they got mad at me because I was trying to return it. This is a trade-in shop for where you can sell your old like Mac stuff. They don't take everything, but they take the standard. These are dishwashers. How cool is this? Tiny Japanese dishwasher. Look, they're going for about 200 bucks. 198, 200, 300 bucks. Yeah, I used to have one. Look at this. What's this? A little, oh, jets for your back. Little egg boiler. God, I love this. Welcome to Japan, man. Oh, old games. Yeah, I used to have a Sega Genesis. And this is Nintendo. Remember, guys, how I used to blow on your game? I haven't done that in years. So this is still the main streets of Akihabara. I'm gonna make sure this is in focus. Contact TTK. You got duped once. What happened? Well, they sold me a MacBook Air. You know, it didn't boot well. It kind of, you know when you have those computers. So this is the end for me, actually.